Nintendo is something that's stuck in a range right now. We are sitting at a quite at a peak levels of the earnings cycle for consoles. At this point in time, it's good to see that Nintendo is consolidating its earnings. Um, but we wrote in our report in May, we stated that while we don't think the company will announce a hardware refresh, you can't stop people from expecting when you're heading towards E3. This is exactly what happened. The stock went from 60 to 69,000 yen. And in the last couple of days, when people realized Switch Pro or the next version of hardware is not going to be announced there, and the other game announcements also lagged surprise. Everybody knew Zelda would be announced or showcased. When those surprises did not come through, the stock corrected nearly about 10%. This is likely to get stuck in a range. In every single one of our reports in the last 6 months, it carries a tagline: stay nimble. The idea is investors in this particular stock will need to go in and go out frequently to make money. This is not something like a Sony that you hold on to it over the next 2, 3, 5 years and make money, in our view.
Yeah, I mean, talking about being stuck in a range, when you take a look at the year-to-date chart, I mean, it's virtually done nothing. It's down 3% year-to-date, which is very much a tight range. But then you've got a buy rating with a price target of 71,700 yen. So what's going to break it out of that range to get up to that price target from where it is now?
We find it difficult to believe that it'll break out of that range easily unless they come out with something which clearly convinces investors that this will go past a cycle. Console is a cyclical thing. 6, 7, 8 years it could last. But we are sitting at nearly it's a 5th or 6th year for Nintendo Switch this year. And in this environment, we would find it difficult to believe that the earnings can easily grow from here onwards. They could stabilize for a year, but then they start declining. So we don't think that it could break that 71,000 yen, but it could keep going back to that 70,000 yen levels. And the message to investors is basically you stay nimble. It goes closer to our target prices, you book profits, it comes off, now it's 61, 62, you go back in again. But these are modest gains that we are eyeing. We are not eyeing big gains like we do in case of Sony again, where we expect the stock to double or triple in the next 3 to 4 years.